Hello friends, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have to wash my makeup brushes because they look terrible. The top of this used to be pink. The top of this used to be white. They all need to be cleaned. So I'm going to show you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. Alright, so my process of cleaning my brushes is really easy. The first thing I do is grab a little container and fill it up with some hot or warm water. I let all my brushes soak in the water while I wash the other ones slowly with a bar of soap. This is a Dove men's soap. You can use any kind of soap. I prefer using the kinds that have some type of moisturizer in them just to keep my brushes soft. What I do is I wet the bar of soap and I just swirl my wet brush into it. This gets rid of most of the product that's stuck in your brush. I also have my sink partially full of water so that I can constantly wet my brush or wet my soap. Don't worry, there is another step after this. I know this doesn't seem sanitary, but I take an extra step to clean my brushes further. You can see how clean the brush is afterwards. It's a complete difference. Once I have all my brushes washed with the soap, I take my favorite facial cleanser, which is this one by Avalon Organics, and I put a couple of pumps of that into a bowl or container, and I also fill that with a little bit of warm water. I also mix it up with the end of one of the makeup brushes just to have it all dissolved inside the water. And I put all of my makeup brushes into that water to let it soak again. And then I swirl my brushes on a towel to get rid of all the excess water. This process usually leaves my brushes feeling really soft and also really fluffy. Once they're all washed and clean, I let them hang to dry so that they go back to their normal shape. What I do is I put them all on my towel rack, and to attach them to the towel rack I use small little rubber hair ties. I just slide them over the brushes, hoop it around the towel rack, and then attach it to the top of the brush once again. For the big brushes, I put them all up on their own, but for the smaller ones, I bundle them. This just helps me use less rubber bands and also save some space, especially when I'm washing nearly all of my makeup brushes. As you can see, I also stagger the height of them so that they have a little bit more space to dry on their own. And that is it. That's how I wash my makeup brushes. Alright guys, that's how I clean my makeup brushes. I hope this helped. If it did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. If there's anything else that you guys want to see, let me know down below. I always take your suggestions into... what's the word I'm looking for? I always consider your suggestions. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.